everyone, thanks for tuning in to another Make and Take craft from the Covina Public Library. For April, we're doing Dreamworks crafts. So if you're a fan of Madagascar, maybe you'll want to learn how to make some Madagascar Penguins. Or if you love Shrek, maybe you want to learn how to make Gingy. So if you want to learn how to make these crafts, stay tuned and I'll show you how. The first thing you're going to want to do is cut out some penguin feet and a penguin beak on orange paper. You can either find a template online or you can draw it yourself. After you have it cut out, you can place the feet and the beak on a white plate and visualize how you want your penguin to look. The next thing I'm doing here is I'm designing the face of the penguin. So you can follow my design here, or if you believe you can find another one, go ahead and try that one as well. It might take some trial and error. Once you have a shape you like, the next thing to do would be to fill it in with a black marker. Now that I have it all filled in, all that's left is to glue the pieces and some googly eyes onto the plate. Now I have my own Madagascar penguin. Now let's move on to Gingy. So once again, you can find a gingerbread template online or draw one yourself. Once you have the template, go ahead and cut it out on brown paper. The first thing I wanted to do was the gumdrop buttons. So I'm using purple paper and I'm cutting out 2 circles. Once again, you don't have to use purple paper, you can use whatever colored paper you like. The next thing I'm doing is I'm designing the frosting. So I just decided to draw several squiggly lines. You can follow the design I did or however you want your Gingy to look. So for my Gingy, I used white paper because I wanted his frosting to be white, but once again you can use whatever color you like. I ended up going with 2 circles for his eyes, and then 4 squiggly lines, 1 for each leg and arm, and then a long squiggly line for his waist. Once you find the design you like, after you've done visualizing it, you can glue it. What I'm using the blue paper for is I want his eyebrows to be blue. So I just drew 2 eyebrows. And next, I was going to draw his mouth. I remember Gingy having a shocked face, so I did is I drew an oval. And I'm checking that it looks good. Then after that, I'm gonna cut it out. And once I found the pattern I liked, I decided I'm ready to glue. And once it's all glued, it should look like this. Thank you guys so much for tuning in to another Make and Take craft from the Covina Public Library. I hope you guys enjoyed making your Gingys and penguins. So, if you guys want to learn how to make more crafts, stay tuned next month for another Make and Take program. I'll catch you guys later. Thanks for crafting with Chris.